Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and then go back to the settings, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page you will find every app that you have on your phone. So what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and then search here for Snapchat and then click on force stop and go to the permissions. Make sure that the camera permission is enabled and then go back, click on data usage, make sure to disable all those options and enable them back. Go back and now click on the storage, click on clear data and then go back again to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks and then enable the Wi-Fi again and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.